Hello everyone, myself Sindhashri. I'm currently pursuing my second year engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College. We're going to discuss a topic called lotus leaf effect. Before going to the main point, let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a lotus leaf and wondered why it looked pristine? This is because lotus leaves repel water because they are covered with minuscule waxy nodules that stop water molecules bonding with the leaf surface tissues. This is the main reason why the water droplets does not settle on the lotus leaf. So let me discuss now what is lotus leaf effect. Lotus leaf effect refers to self-cleaning properties that are a result of ultra hydrophobicity as exhibited by the leaves of the nilambo, the lotus flower. The scientific name of lotus is nilambo. So in the leaf of the lotus there is a ultra hydrophobicity. This means the water droplets does not stay on the leaves. It will slide. It will just sit as a drop and it does not stay on it. Okay, and the dirt particles are picked up by water droplets due to the micro and nanoscopic architecture on the surface, which minimizes the droplets adhesion to that surface. Ultra-hydrophobicity and self-cleaning properties are also found in many other plants such as Tropelium, Optuna, Alchemilla, cane, and also on the wings of certain insects. Now let us discuss what are the reasons for superhydrophobicity. So before let me explain this, let me say what is hydrophobicity. Hydrophobicity means any surface which does not attract to the water. Okay. Now lotus, the scientific name of lotus is Nilambo nucifera, is a semi-aquatic plant and develops say platate leaves up to 30 centimeters in diameter with remarkable water repellence. As we all know, the lotus leaf has a water repellence. So this is because the stomata are located in the upper epidermis and the lower epidermis consists of convex lens covered with wax tubules and contains only few stomata. This means in the upper epidermis there is large number of stomata, but whereas in the lower epidermis of that leaf has a less stomata. Instead of that it has a convex lens and a wax tubules. So, upper epidermis features the distinctive hierarchical structure consisting of papillae with a dense coating of agglomerated wax tubules. These are the basis for superhydrophobicity. Now, let me explain this with the figures. In the first figure, the lotus leaf which exhibit extraordinary water repellency on their upper side. As we can see in the first figure, the leaf has no dirt, water particles, anything. It is very clear and crystal. This is the image how lotus leaf looks. And in the second image, it is the image of SEM, that is scanning electron microscopy, where the upper leaf side prepared by glycerol substitution shows the hierarchical surface structure consisting of papillae, wax clusters and wax tubules. And the third image is wax tubules on the upper leaf side. This is the image where the wax tubules are present in the upper leaf side. And in the fourth image, upper leaf side after critical point, drying the wax tubules are dissolved. Thus the stomatas are more visible. As I said, in the lotus leaf, the stomatas are present in large number in the upper leaf. So it is the image how stomatas are present, but whereas in the last image the stomatas number is less. This is the image which consists of a convex cells with less stomatas. Okay, now let us discuss about the applications of textile industry. The lotus leaf effect has been to create fabrics that are more resistant, durable and stain resistant. For example, biomimetic industry, and also other examples for textile industries are roofing materials. For roofing materials, the lotus effect is used. It has an inspiration, that is, incorporating the lotus inspired surfaces in roofing materials can prevent the growth of moss, algae and fungi which tend to thrive in moist environments. This can extend the lifespan of roofs and reduce the maintenance cost. Another application of in textile industries is concrete protection. Lotus inspired coating on concrete surfaces can enhance their resistance to the water penetration and reduce the risk of cracking and chemical ingress. Now, after discussing about the textile industry, now let us discuss what are the applications we have from this Lotus effect in the medical industries. So, the Lotus effect has inspired the development of medical devices that can resist bacteria and other pathogens. Medical device coating. Applying Lotus inspired hydrophobic coatings to medical devices such as catheters and implants can reduce the adhesion of biological materials and prevent bacterial colonization. This can help minimize the risk of infections and improve the biocompatibility of the devices. Then, wound dressing. Lotus inspired coating on wound dressing can repel liquids and prevent them from being absorbed into the dressing. This feature keeps the wound area dry and clean, promoting faster healing and reduce the risk of infections. Then, drug delivery system. The Lotus effect can be utilized to design drug delivery system that releases medications for more effectively and avoid undesired interactions with bodies. Then after another major application of medical industry is contact lens. Contact lens with Lotus inspired coating can resist deposits, leading to improved comfort and reduced risk of eye infections. Then another field in which lotus leaf effect has been has gotten inspired is a construction industry. The lotus leaf effect has been used to create self-cleaning and water repellent materials by building exteriors and roofs. For example, self-cleaning coatings. Applying lotus inspired coatings on building facades, windows and other exterior surfaces can help to prevent the accumulation of dirt, dust and pollutants. Rainwaters will easily wash away the contaminants, reducing the need for the frequent cleaning and maintenance. Then another field is technical applications. Some nanotechnologists have developed treatments, coatings, paints, roof tiles, fabrics and other surfaces that can stay dry and clean themselves by replicating in a technical manner and self-cleaning properties of plants such as lotus plant. Energy efficiency. The Lotus effect can also contribute to the energy efficiency by reducing the accumulation of dirt and debris on solar panels and allowing them to capture more sunlight. These are the fields where we can see the Lotus effect has been contributed. Not only the Lotus effect has been contributed in many of the fields, but these are some basics which I have listed here. So thank you for listening my video. Thank you everyone.